This episode is brought to you by GenoPure, suppliers of all natural supplements, vitamins, and pre-workouts. From body pain to sleep to diets, they have it all. Click the link in the description below to check out their website, GenoPure.com. Optimizing health and vitality, one gene at a time.
(2012) Chevy Camaro V6. We left the stock converters. This one comes with 4 catalytic converter setup on the 2012. Factory H-pipe, true dual. Kept the resonators on it and deleted it back to mufflers. Put some 4-inch stainless steel tips. Looks absolutely beautiful. And that's what came off. There's the 2 tips and the rear 2 mufflers. We took them off. Give it a little bit of sound. Let us know what you guys think. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you subscribe. Yes. Beautiful black color. Keeping the resonators on it gives it a deep tone without any, not a lot of raspiness, which is a really nice touch on those. Set of wheels on it, aftermarket wheels. There's the drive off. Hope you guys like it. He says he's going to get on it real well, really good. Hope we burn some rubber. We'll see.